Toduong ti an investor. Toduong dong ti dano madit. Chente ne tie, capacity ne tie, me bedo investor. Wan machalo kaka choli, waberu ka kok pi karma laj. Ne investors pole weng lu rock. Investors pole weng lu rock. O weko gibino gigamo ngamwa kagi employing ye dano mapat ke one lab ka teach investment mageno kelo. Companies and companies makiyabo. Business premises mapadi manoke yobo ya choli. Noke yobo malu teach ma ye pole weng akichen. Foreigners ene gitika enjoying lobacholi. Foreigners ene gitika willo mamacholi gitiako. Waro bedu ke koko enoni. Now, tieme le wich total an meneno headlines mapol madam tika karokele social media. Wadonye social media kabalo nying to duong. Oh, to duong is a land grabber. Oh, to duong grabbing land. Oh, to duong tika kwenye kono public property. Oh, to duong wana chuli mona kilama walama. Kirogo waroga. Lutino paji mapelogo lep. Gitie ki billions and billions of shillings. Magibino gi bribing lutela waro. We're gonna ginong tenda mechok igangwa. Gina gibino nong business opportunities ilobowa. Gina yegibet ki chance mamalo igangwa. Tin loba tika lakonero ni ikin lutino wa matego matiga mente. Toduong Richard petie ka ye. Toduong peti ka ye tamone ni luroga ye umiro owning property and property me yachuli. Toduong peti ka ye ni luroga ye umiro taking advantage of lobachuli. Toduong positively tika tamone ni en benedong injecting billions of shillings. Where a kill investment actually a kill development actually chi wunda otika karo to dog land grabber to in the past dong wakok pinga ni lu rock tika mai ngwamwako lu rock tika mai biashara wako lu rock tika taking advantage komberi la tienwa our own blood. Obino with his excellent initiative mekonyo pajo imano winyone let iri winyone lik iri winyone raj iri ni property wa money ngom wa money malu rokno tikila yegimero kwanyo nego chidong latina chuli makwiri utamone ene kwanyo we don't do rock gubet pere ki opportunity unyo chance me kwanyo ne kichingwa. The land in question maene ka underground. The land in question ka underground ono jara matin mapenduzi o winyego kila rock money ni la roque dong be kwanyo ka underground no ento la roque dong mio siente borro jar machalo commission kichulo mapinduzi machalo commission manyuri kala rock chane ene yo kwanyo ngommi kala rock chane ene ye o kwanyo ka underground manyuri no pege tieng wadong matwala yano jar mapinduzi ono kibichule ko commission we ngome ochiato bod la rock Alfred Okwa Meya Machon City Meya Megulu Alfred Okwa ono through Joma Magitika Bion ke Germany a German citizen no tika bion ka kwanyo the land in question ka underground umiru ke me obot Jomani Chi Okwa Alfred ke chule mere commission Machalo go between not ma negotiating on behalf of the other person. So mapinduzi no kibichule commission. Pikelo la rock me kwanyo kenyo. Okuwa bele kibichule commission. Pikelo la rock me kwanyo kenyo. Now, to duong dong obero very smart. Nika dong ka underground kibikeli yelu rock yeni go taking over. Chidong toma an ma lo lebwani an ma tigire munduoni tuwa dong ana ya no di ronamo gamu ngomio a developing o kada a developing ngomio chida keru yelu tuwa choy gitich at the end of the day we are all benefiting loyo mangomio chero geching lu rock kada nguruti adange todwong land grabber todwong kon wano very smart wa miyo tam ki todwong one in a way what ye can jo miyo tam ki todwong ni instead of the land cheroiting foreigners in madeti government you have the capacity financially you have the connection la dito dwong you have the power pingo pay kwanyo miyo Obedong under him, he developing he teach it was the job opportunity that we are lacking. But Motikai, actually, investors man build foreigners again, investors build foreigners again. This is another smart way of Wahongama actually. Piankage Wahongama redundant kuja luro kwanyo ya ngome petika teach. Ngome tie redundant, ngome ti idle. Kibi kwanyo donc I want to be smart memi yotam kito duong I'm one of the advisors but duong la dito duong trusting and pian wine kadong la dilo wine in advising and no don't in me advising and ber one when you argument so I'm part of the advising committee we advise to duong rightly to take over the land when lu rokpel chet kede lo tok chet utia kilole pimo miu